Hey there, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a Fiverr affiliate account. So if you're ready to start earning money by promoting Fiverr services, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll find a section labeled Affiliate. Click on it, and it will take you to the Fiverr Affiliate Program page. On the affiliate page, click on Join Now. This will redirect you to the Sign Up page where you can create your affiliate account. Enter your first and last name, email address, and choose username. Then, set up your password and confirm it. Next, choose your account type. Most of you will select private unless you're signing up on behalf of a company. Indicate whether you have a main source of traffic. If you do, provide the relevant social media link or website URL. If not, you can add it later. Enter your country and optional Skype ID if you have one. Once all fields are filled, click Next. Now, you'll need to specify how you plan to promote Fiverr. For example, you can mention YouTube and social media. Describe your audience's key interests. Agree to the terms and click Register. Congratulations! You're now a Fiverr affiliate. You don't need approval, you can start promoting right away. Click Start doing it, and you'll be directed to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, agree to the terms, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Fiverr affiliate account. Now you can start promoting Fiverr services and earning commissions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.